Hey, health enthusiasts, listen up. Forget those pricey protein powders and complicated supplements. I've got a secret weapon that's been hiding in plain sight: hemp seeds. These tiny seeds pack a serious punch, and today, I'm going to show you why they're the complete protein your body's been craving. Let's kick things off with what makes hemp seeds special. Unlike a lot of plant-based options, hemp seeds are A, meaning they've got all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. That's right. Eggs, meat, and even chia seeds? Hemp seeds hold their own gram for gram. In just 3 tablespoons, you're getting about 10 grams of high-quality protein, plus a bonus omega-3s and omega-6s in the perfect balance for heart health and energy. Pretty wild for something so tiny, right? Now you're probably wondering, how do I actually use hemp seeds every day? It's easy. Sprinkle them on your morning oats, blend them into your post-workout smoothie, or toss them on your favorite salad. Just 3 tablespoons a day, yep, that's it. No fuss, no fancy recipes needed. But the benefits? Oh man, let's talk about them. First off, heart health. Thanks to that perfect omega-3 to omega-6 ratio, hemp seeds help keep your heart pumping strong and steady. Next up, muscle building. That complete protein profile fuels muscle repair and growth, ideal for anyone hitting the gym or even just staying active. And don't forget inflammation. Hemp seeds are a natural anti-inflammatory, helping your joints and muscles recover smoother and faster. Now, if you're in South Africa, I've got even better news. Hemp seeds aren't just a trendy import. They're available right here at Checkers, Dis-Chem, and most health food stores. They're affordable, local, and fit right into your daily meals. Add them to pap, stir them into your smoothie, or bake them into your favorite bread. Simple, versatile, and budget-friendly. Alright, now let's clear up a big myth. Hemp seeds come from the same plant family as cannabis, but here's the thing, there's 0 THC in hemp seeds. That means no high, just pure nutrition. So you can sprinkle them on your breakfast without a second thought. So, have you tried hemp seeds yet? If not, maybe it's time to give your meals a protein-powered upgrade. Let me know in the comments how you use hemp seeds, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed superfoods. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll catch you next time.